A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hello everyone. I am Jahazeb. My qualification is MPhil Education from Department of Education, Hazara University, Mansehra, Pakistan. Today I am going to discuss the procedure of educational research. In this video, I discuss the important steps of educational research that you follow and your thesis. First of all, what is educational research? Educational research refers to the systematic collection and analysis of data related to the field of education. Research may involve various aspects of education, including students' learning, teaching methods, teacher training, and classroom dynamics. Educational research may draw upon a variety of disciplines. These disciplines include psychology, sociology, anthropology, and philosophy, etc. The next slide is the procedure of educational research. Conducting educational research involves the exploration, description, explanation, or prediction of educational phenomena using systematic data collection and analysis procedures. All educational research studies should follow a planning, data gathering, and analysis and reporting process. These steps are There are three steps in the procedure of educational research. Number one, planning. Number two, gathering data. Number three, reporting result. Number one is planning. Identify the problem or topic. The first step in the process is to identify a problem or develop a research question. The research problem may be something that researcher identifies as a problem, some knowledge or information that is needed by the researcher, or the desire to identify a recreation trend nationally. This serves as a focus of the study. Review prior research. The literature review will help you gain an understanding of the current state of knowledge pertaining to your research idea. It will inform you if the research problem or topic has already been explored, how to design your study, what data collection method to use, and help make sense of the finding of your study once data analysis is complete. Determine the purpose, research question or hypothesis. Identifying a clear purpose helps determine how the research should be conducted, what research design you will use, and the research questions or hypothesis of study. Four general purposes for conducting educational research are to explore, describe, predict, or explain. Consider research implications. Implications are the practical ways your research will affect the field of education. These are the underlying goals, the rationales for or the importance of study. Implications are linked to your research problem or topic, research purpose, and research question or hypothesis. Construct a research proposal. The research proposal is a detailed description of how the study will be conducted. Includes the title and research of the study, statement of the research problem and research purpose, review of relevant literature, research question or hypothesis. What information or variables are to be gathered? What data collection method will be used and how the data will be analyzed? Gathering data. Data gathering focuses on information acquisition that will attempt to answer a research question or support hypothesis. Data gathering includes consideration about what variables to investigate, the unit of analysis or participants of the study, procedures used for selecting participants, the methods and procedures used for data collection, and Any reliability or validity of collection methods. Reporting results. The reporting results have three steps: analyze data, determine findings, report conclusions, implications, and limitations. Analyze data. Data or statistical analysis will depend on whether you collected quantitative data, qualitative data, or both. For quantitative data, there are a variety of statistical analysis tools that can use to identify statistical relationships between variables. For qualitative data analysis generally involves holistically identifying patterns, categories, and themes. Determine findings. Determine the findings from your data analysis. For quantitative data, statistical information and general findings are determined. For qualitative data, detailed and specific findings obtained in mixed approach. Finding and description supplements each other and help explain a complete pictures. Report, conclusion, implications, and limitations. Conclusion are statements that interpret and evaluate the results found from the study. Primary emphasis to the results that relate to the hypothesis or research question of study. Factors to consider when reporting conclusions or data dissemination include tailoring report content, explaining the purpose of the study, integrating findings with the results from prior research, and how the findings relate to your research question and hypothesis. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.